I got the plan. Over at Kiwi's, Dr. Art is here. That snazzy thing he drives, right? I got the plan. Because, you know, Dr. Art, a couple of weeks ago, we went to look at that Challenger, that crispy Challenger, because he needs a ride for Power Tour. He doesn't have anything for Power Tour. So, it was too much. He passed on it. So, I have a plan.
They've got electric tailgate, which is an optional extra.
Dr. Art, I'm glad you could meet us here.
How you do it?
Yes. All right.
Hey.
Kiwi? All right. So, here's the situation. Dr. Art needs a ride for Power Tour. Kiwi is taking Large March. I'm taking my Charger. Steve's taking his Oldsmobile.
Yep.
But Dr. Art's still looking for a ride. Gentlemen, I have the plan.
Oh my god.
Okay. So
on the handy towel roll.
Yeah, well let's lay this out.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, no, this is as good as anything. All right, so you want me to build the Hemi for the pickup truck out there.
Yes.
And I got to do the poly for Large March.
Yeah.
All right, so it's a lot, and I got my own stuff going on.
You do.
Way too much of it. So there's no way I'm going to be able to get the Hemi built before Power Tour, which is in 2.5 months now.
Right.
So since I can't get the Hemi for that built, and that truck is just sitting there.
Yep.
Why doesn't Dr. Art take the truck as it is, get it rolling, we'll get the motor that's in there together.
It's got 13 LA in it. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the plan. Here's the plan. So here's the truck as it sits.
Storyboard?
Well, this is the plan, guys. This is the plan.
Animation.
Yeah. So this is the truck as it sits. It's got some flat tires. You know, it's really not in very good shape.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
All right.
Yes.
So, if Dr. Art takes this thing back to his place, he could turn it into a badass gasser. You see? Very similar to that illustration.
Right.
All right?
Okay.
So, you know, that's a bit of an exaggeration because we'll keep the LA in there until I can build a Hemi for it.
the scale.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. And then, okay, of course, so here's the rest of the plan. Okay. So, what's so funny? So, Dr. Art uses his tools and time and everything. And then Kiwi, Kiwi has bags and bags of cash. Like, really more than knows what to do with. And I could get between you guys and doing as little as possible, I could just shoot it to YouTube, make all kinds of money, and then we can all hit Power Tour together.
There you go.
What do you think?
What could go wrong?
Yeah.
It's just what I'm saying. It's pure brilliance, yeah? All right, let's go look at this truck.
Okay.
All right. Kiwi's backyard wonderland. You never know what you're gonna find here. Look at this Buick. Ooh, that's nice.
Oh, okay.
What do you guys think?
It's perfect.
Just needs a little wash and it'll be fine.
Yeah.
It's really not bad.
No, it's not at all.
What? Yeah.
All right, so we got a radiator, you got a core support.
Grill, headlights,
Bumper.
drive shaft.
Really? What the hell else do you
Drag
need?
link. Drag link on it's a bit bent. The wheels are kind of pointing south and southwest.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't need alignments. It's
Fine.
I like the dash. The dash is unusual. You seen the e-brake
I like the
on it?
dash and the shifter on the dash, yes.
Yeah, and the e-brake, where they had this weird e-brake.
yeah, that's old
over
school.
center. Yeah. And
Yeah,
then
that's so
you
like
fine tune the adjustment on that. You get it to a point where it just gets tight and goes over center. And, yeah, just locks it like that. But yeah, the dash shifter and the little pad Apparently that's a deluxe model
Deluxe.
or
I
something.
always have to say for the mid '60s, that had to be a deluxe option.
Door
Yeah.
panels. Door panels.
Very nice door panel.
What more could you want?
This thing screams gasser. This is actually the same truck that I built Sledgehammer off of. Well, not this exact truck, obviously, but we pulled the body off one of these and shortened the frame 20 inches, mounted the Valiant body on top of it. So it's, we've already done this.
I don't know. I have a vision.
Yeah, that's what it doesn't include.
Doesn't include those, but
I had a vision too. I showed you on the,
yeah.
the plans.
Yeah, we saw your vision. We saw your
Yeah.
vision.
What's under the hood of this thing?
Not a poly. A little bit of oil on there might help.
All right. Nice little 318. Maybe we boost that up a little bit. Headers, a 4-barrel,
Yeah.
that type of stuff. Very nice.
So,
Does it spin?
take the baby carburetor off it.
Little tiny carburetor.
Teeny tiny one.
Or put a couple of those on it. Either way.
Yeah. But yeah, hopefully be able to keep that dash mounted shifter. It'd be kind of cool.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We don't want to go too crazy with this because the Hemi's going to end up in here.
Yeah.
Right. Just take off the poly water pump, and because I have a radiator and some other stuff, and already kind of figured in my head. So
All right. So that's the basic plan. We'll take this thing over to Dr. Art's. You'll start working on the chassis and everything.
right.
Okay. I'll do as little as possible. Just get the engine running. But it's, you know.
Yeah.
And Kiwi will pay for it all because it's his truck. So I can't possibly see how this could go wrong.
No, that was less than 60 days before we got to
Nah.
meet us everybody in Bowling Green for the first day of Power Tour. Yeah,
Consider it done.
done.
All right. We'll see how this rolls. See you guys tomorrow.
Peace.